Our business thrives on happy customers, so when they write to tell us we did a good job, we love to share their feedback so they know we appreciate their words. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.